Everybody knows by now you can buy and sell cryptocurrency on PayPal. But what does this mean for crypto at large? Is this good for new investors? We're going to talk about that today. I'm also going to do a quick tutorial on how you do it. How do you buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies on PayPal if you've never done it before? Well, I'm going to show you how today, and it's actually easier than you think. Let's get it. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto. My name is Ben. Every day on this channel, I show you how to make money in cryptocurrency. If you like money, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Become a member of the BitSquad. 142K subscribers. Not too shabby. Also, if you're watching this video because it said tutorial and you really want to know how to buy Bitcoin and crypto, but you're super new, super fresh, you guys can check out crypto4dudes.com. That's with the number 4. Here, you can find my beginner's crypto course called The Regular Guy's Guide to Crypto, where Jay Chains and I lay out to you guys some of the very simple, basic concepts that you're going to have to know if you're going to be able to make that life-changing money. So guys, let's head on over here to PayPal. So I actually created an account recently, a personal account, because I only had business accounts, so I could try this out, and it's pretty easy to do. You guys can see my recent activity over here. It's showing up my Bitcoin purchases and my Ethereum purchase that I made. Notice, it doesn't separate out crypto. It basically just says recent activity and has it all listed over here. And I think this is important. That combined with the fact when you look at this, you see PayPal balance, crypto right underneath it. This is not something that PayPal is going to be debuting, not putting a lot of attention on. They have seen what Square has done, Cash App has done, and they want a piece of that. Crypto and Bitcoin aims to be a major part of the PayPal business from now on. I definitely believe that for 100%. So on our summary page, you guys see the Your Crypto box. What we're going to do, we're going to click buy and sell. And this is going to take us to what I call the portfolio page. This shows you what crypto you have right now. There's only 4 possibilities: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency, started in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto in response to the 2008 financial crisis. Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin are all altcoins. How do you know something is an altcoin? It's not Bitcoin. It's pretty simple. Bitcoin rules the market. It's about 65% of the overall crypto market right now. Every other coin is called an altcoin. So right now, you guys can see I have $39.93 in Bitcoin and $19.93 in Ethereum. If you own a cryptocurrency on PayPal, it's going to show up on this side up here. If you don't, it's going to show up down here. Now, these are 3 really respectable altcoins. They've all been consistently in the top 10 of cryptocurrencies since they debuted. So right now, what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin. Now, before we actually move on to buy Bitcoin, they have a learn more about crypto section. This is pretty cool. They're very quick reads, 5 minutes, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and it goes on from there. I think there's about 12 or 13 of them. Well, let's actually count them. I think it's 12. Man, my counting is good. It's 12. It talks about what's crypto, a frequently asked questions page, how to get started. It talks about the differences between all the coins, volatility, crypto versus stonks. There's a glossary, because I tell you, if you're not in the crypto culture, it's really easy to get mixed up with what people are talking about. And of course, you're definitely going to want to know what blockchain is, the underwriting technology of cryptocurrency, or at least most cryptocurrencies. Don't worry about what I just said there. That might take you down a rabbit hole. So here we are. Let's go ahead and click buy, and you can see it shows a chart. Bitcoin's down about 2.39% today. Not too great. We don't like to see that for our portfolios, but we like to see it when we're getting ready to buy. So definitely pretty cool. So right now, the charts are broken down default by the last 24 hours. So this is the last day of action. You can also check out the last chart, or the chart from the last week, from the last month, 6 months, 1 year, and the all-time chart. You guys can see where we're heading to up here. All-time highs going to be in the next couple of months, I do firmly believe. So once you've looked at the chart, you decided which one you want to buy, you just click buy, and then you hit the amount. Let's say, let's go crazy. I'm going to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. Here's my debit card, 4285, that's the last 4 digits. If anyone can steal money from my bank account with the last 4 digits of my debit card, I will buy you a milkshake. All right, so let's hit next. This is the review page. It shows you what card you're purchasing it with. Shows you how much you're buying. We're buying 0.006 BTC. Bitcoin can be broken down into 10 million parts, or 100 million parts, excuse me. The price per Bitcoin, $15,887. The price, US dollars, of $100, and then what I actually pay. No transaction fees. There's no transaction fees with Bitcoin on PayPal for the rest of this year. But be careful. If you think you're going to come on here, buy a bunch of Bitcoin for no transaction fees, and then leave and do something else with it, you got another thing coming. We're going to explain that here in just a second. So I click Buy Now, and boom, it pops up at the top, shows us how much we bought. We go back to our portfolio. Here it is, $139.92 worth of Bitcoin in my wallet. Now, what am I going to do with this Bitcoin? Well, that's what a lot of people are upset about, because right now you can't do anything with it. You're currently not able to send crypto assets to friends or family, use crypto assets to pay for goods or services, or withdraw crypto assets from your cryptocurrency's hub to an external cryptocurrency wallet. This is kind of like the training wheels. If you're new to crypto and you want to learn how to buy Bitcoin, you want to learn how to buy altcoins on PayPal, that's fine. I welcome that. But it needs to be like riding a bike with training wheels. You're not going to be able to do much with your crypto when you have it on a service like PayPal that's not allowing you to withdraw it to other wallets. That means you'll never be able to trade it, and you're not actually in possession of your own private keys. In crypto, we call that not your keys, not your crypto. If you're not in possession of the back-end password to your wallet where you can actually move the Bitcoin, is it really yours? And that's a fundamental and philosophical question that a lot of people in crypto have about the way that PayPal has done things. But just like a bike with training wheels, you work up to ride on your own. So learn about exchanges like Coinbase or Binance US or KuCoin. Those are places to start learning how to exchange cryptocurrency, learning how to send cryptocurrency back and forth. And then from there, who knows, maybe you'll end up on a decentralized exchange one day, which can kind of get crazy. So let's take it baby steps at a time. If you're going to buy on PayPal, it's okay. I'm not going to criticize you. I think what they're doing overall is going to be beneficial to the entire crypto space. But the way that they store it and the way you don't own your own Bitcoin when you're buying through PayPal, it is not the optimal way. So you got to try to figure out, do your own research, and learn what that optimal way is. All right, guys, that's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.